Welcome back to MJ's Heavenly, where we pray before we eat.
Today we're making stew peas with smoked turkey neck. These are the ingredients that we'll be using. Our red peas that is already soaking, our smoked turkey neck, coconut milk powder, scallion, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, and pimento. Wheat flour, which is optional. You can use white flour if you have it, for our spinners, otherwise called long dumpling. Rice, butter, and salt. Now I'm going to add my peas to my pot. Now that the peas is semi-tender, I'm going to add my smoked turkey neck in the pot. I'll stir, and I'll add some more water. So I'll have this boiled for maybe half an hour more. Okay, now that my peas is boiled and my smoked turkey neck is tender, I'm going to add my spinners, otherwise called long dumpling. I'll start a little bit, and then I'll add my thyme and my scallion, my pimento seed, and then my Scotch bonnet pepper. Now I'll add my coconut milk. Then I'll stir. Here is the finished dish. Stew peas with smoked turkey neck. Like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy. See you then.
We cannot become what we want by remaining what we are.